In a quaint little village, nestled beside a whispering forest, lived a young boy named Alex. He was known for his quick mind but also for his habit of exaggerating the truth, especially when he wanted to get out of chores or impress his friends. His grandmother, a wise old woman with kind eyes and a heart full of stories, often worried about this habit. One sunny morning, his grandmother asked Alex to help her gather herbs from the deep woods. Alex, wanting to stay and play with his friends, groaned and said, "Grandma, the forest is full of giant, scary wolves today. I saw them myself, with teeth as long as my arm." His grandmother simply smiled, picked up her basket, and went to the forest alone. Alex felt a pang of guilt but quickly brushed it away, happy to continue his game. Later that day, a real problem arose. A storm, sudden and fierce, swept through the village. The river, usually a gentle ribbon, began to swell dangerously. The villagers needed to quickly build a barrier of sandbags. Alex, seeing the true danger, ran to alert his friends, shouting, "The river is flooding! We need to help!" But his friends, remembering his past exaggerations, just laughed. "Oh, Alex," one of them said, "are there giant river monsters with 10 heads now?" Alex's heart sank. He tried to convince them, but they wouldn't listen. No one believed him, even when the danger was real. He rushed to help the adults, working harder than anyone, feeling the weight of his past lies. Thankfully, the villagers managed to control the flood, but it was a close call. That evening, as the stars twinkled above a tired but safe village, Alex sat with his grandmother. "Grandma," he said softly, "no one believed me today." His grandmother gently patted his hand. "Alex," she said, "when you often tell stories that aren't true, people find it hard to believe you when it truly matters. Trust, once broken, is very difficult to rebuild. Always remember, honesty is not just about telling the truth, but about building a foundation of belief with those around you." From that day forward, Alex understood the powerful lesson. He learned to speak truthfully, knowing that the value of his words lay not in their excitement, but in their sincerity. And slowly, but surely, the villagers learned to trust Alex once more.